drive record amounts of traffic, and do it entirely in an automated fashion. Does that sound cool? If so, you are going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of Seven-Figure Sales Machine. Let's get right into this. Okay, well, we're going to try something a little bit different today. I know I usually do my whole thing with Neil Caffrey and everything else, but I wanted to get right into this because this is really, really exciting. My friend Jeremy and his partner Dave are putting together this brand new course. It's called Seven-Figure Sales Machine or YouTube Sales Machine. I guess they decided to change it midway through. This one is really, really awesome. So I don't want to waste time. You know the drill. If you are new, make sure you go and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified, blah, 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 blah. I'm not even going to bother with that whole thing, you know. Let's just get right into this and see how things go. Okay, so we're looking at the sales page right now for the Seven-Figure Sales Machine. Now, this is a brand new course from Dave Espino. Dave actually worked with Jeremy many years ago. It's an interesting backstory. Jeremy was telling me that he used to work with Dave many, many years ago doing phone sales before he got into doing internet marketing. Similar to the way I started in phone sales as well. I used to do moving sales, actually. I used to help people move across the United States. And Jeremy's something similar, but Dave has been doing this for many, many years. He's kind of new in the internet marketing world, but not new at driving traffic. And you can see here the results of what he's been doing with this particular method. Okay, $3,000 in sales, 1,525 subscribers, 361 paid subscribers. Okay, they're each paying $19 a month. Okay, for his newsletter. This is a method that he has developed using YouTube in order to be able to drive serious gobs of traffic to a recurring newsletter that he creates and sells and gets a lot of money for it. Now, the only catch, and I'm going to show you the members area in just a second, but the only catch with this method is that you still got to create the YouTube videos. And I know a lot of people really don't feel like creating YouTube videos. Now, he did add on a little something talking about a way to automate it. I'm not really impressed with the method they use for automating. I am impressed with the method they use for automating the traffic on YouTube. That's great. But I want you to have something much, much better. So I am throwing in my own course, which is coming up very soon. You're going to get advanced access to one of my courses. This is a full-fledged product. This is not just another mini course I put together. It's a full-fledged product that I created, which you can actually use to go ahead and actually create videos using AI. You don't have to appear on camera. You do not have to write scripts. You do not have to speak. You do not have to put together the video clips. Everything is done for you with AI. It just takes a couple of minutes and it's literally just point and click. Everything is done for you through the AI system, all completely automated. No work involved for you. You just go ahead and start popping them out and profiting endlessly. It's super simple. I want to show you the members in just a sec, but before I do, I also want to tell you about the other bonuses that I have, because I do have a whole bunch of really cool bonuses for you on this particular product. So on this particular product, in addition to giving away my brand new course, Undeniable, I'm also going to give you another course on how to make instant websites using a simple prompt. You don't have to do any work, just go ahead and use the prompt and it starts up the websites immediately. But I'm not done yet. I'm also going to give you my course, Sales Page Secrets. Why some sales pages seem to make a ridiculous amount of money. This comes with full PLR, so you can go ahead and start using it immediately, sell it as your own, give it away, whatever you want. And also, I'm going to give you my course on how to make money by giving stuff away for free. I'm also giving my course on how to get completely free advertising. And you're going to get my course on how to use free software to create podcasts. And finally, I'm going to give you my course on the secrets behind great headlines that get results. Okay, all of these are going to come with full PLR rights. You can sell them, you can give them away, use them as your own bonus. You can even mention me as the creator, which is a very rare thing in PLR. Most PLR, you're not allowed to use the name of the person who created it. I don't mind. Go ahead and put my name out there that I'm the one who created these things. You get the right to use all of these courses as you see fit. Okay, so you're going to get a total of 7 courses from me, in addition to Dave and Jeremy's course, all for just $12.95. Yeah, is that insane? Okay, so let me show you the members area real quick over here. It's basically just a PDF with links to videos, but you can see here the introduction, the foundations to using this system, okay, how he created it. Now, basically what he's going to do is he's going to show you how he's able to leverage YouTube traffic to really get people to buy in, and he's going to show you how to do a newsletter using several different platforms, so you can actually start making serious money from it. And he's going to show you how to set up these newsletters in order to be able to make money from these things. Okay, it's really, really an amazing, amazing course. He's also going to share with you his secrets to bulk video creation. Now, I recommend you use my course on bulk video creation because this is going to get you easier videos. And the most important thing I think is the SEO strategy to rank videos on YouTube and Google. This is stuff that I did not have, that I really wish I'd had before, that I am super excited about. He does have a bonus here talking about some software that he found that he's been using to make some automated videos. I personally prefer my own method, which is much more comprehensive and creates really, really high quality videos. When I started using that method, I was able to get thousands of views on the videos I was creating. I've stopped for a little while. I'm going back to it now because I think that it does work really, really well. I was just focusing on getting some products put together, so I didn't focus on doing that. But now that I'm done with getting the products put together, I'm going to start going back to that and really start pumping out more YouTube traffic and start building the channel up even further. Okay, so yeah, let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. For those who are not aware, that's how we work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. So let's see what happens.
That he really hit that out of the park.
Yeah, seriously, you really, really hit this one out of the park. This is awesome. The guy behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he'd be tipping his hat like I'm tipping my hat. The other guy behind me, he's tuning his horn because he's really, really excited about this. Grab this. This one is really going to set things on fire for you. You're going to love it.